For the past century, quantum science has shaped our world in ways we never imagined. And this year, we celebrate a once-in-a-generation milestone, the 100th anniversary of modern quantum mechanics, with the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. Quantum technology is poised to revolutionize medicine, energy, cybersecurity, and more, helping to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. The International Year of Quantum aims to inspire, educate, and empower people worldwide. Led by UNESCO and supported by global partners, the International Year of Quantum is a call to action for governments, educators, and industries to bring quantum science to the world. Q-CTRL is proud to be one of the key players making quantum more accessible, empowering the next generation of quantum engineers, researchers, and pioneers by breaking down barriers in quantum education. To close the urgent skills gap, we developed Black Opal, the industry-leading visual and interactive quantum education platform for individual learners, educators, and enterprises to begin their quantum journey. As we celebrate the International Year of Quantum, we invite you to be part of this movement. Whether you're a student, educator, or industry leader, we welcome you to join one of our many webinar masterclasses planned throughout the year. So please join us and mark this important milestone by equipping yourself with the skills to shape the next 100 years of quantum computing with Black Opal.